This semester we have a couple main focuses, but one is we're going more towards value funds. We're trying to find some good dividend stocks and then maybe find some REITs.
In my first semester we looked at growth companies, and then the previous 2 semesters, the last one in this semester, we started looking at value companies. So I think just getting a overall mix of both of them, I think it's really interesting to see the different fundamentals that go into those. This semester we're looking into the energy sector, consumer staples, and then even some REITs that Noah had mentioned.
I think it's a great experience that you probably will never get like from school. I mean, just in the work field, and I don't think that you'll have the opportunity to actually be investing and make your mistakes here, I guess, instead of in the workplace.
This semester we have a group of student managers. We have Michael that has been for enough time to learn about how everything works. Noah that has a lot of experience looking and doing research of analysis by himself. And I met that has a lot of experience on leadership with student organizations. She has been helping us to create and give a form to this idea of the investment club.
I'd say one of the biggest things I learned so far is to work with the Bloomberg terminal. So using it to do research and pull up reports and stuff like that. And then also we've already given our first presentation, so public speaking is definitely helping me with that.
The Bloomberg terminal, I think that's just a huge tool for success, and I believe that with what I want to do, investment planning and investment analyst, I think this is just a great step forward towards that direction.
I've learned a lot of ways to do research through the Bloomberg terminal, which I had never even thought of. And I mean, I'm still learning a lot because there's so many different functions to use, but that's mainly what I've been taking a lot from it, and just kind of trying to read the data and trying to interpret it.
When I first came to UIW, I thought this was really cool when I could see the tickers going, and I thought this whole room was awesome. So I was asking my professors what goes on in here, and they told me about the Student Managed Fund, and everything about it just piqued my interest.
The hands-on experience I'm getting for it, I think it's really prepared me for a job market, job industry, and I think it's just a great experience overall.
I didn't really know many people that had taken the course, and so I was really drawn. It brought my attention to it to see what kind of learning experiences I could take from this.
I've loved my experience that I've had with it so far. I think it's truly, if someone is interested in the investment field and just wants to get experience with it, I think they should join in. It's just been something I've been very thankful for at my time at UIW.
I enjoy just learning so much about investing and all the things that you really won't learn unless you actually do it, that you can't really learn it from a textbook.
The students that have been graduating from this class, most of them find a job or an internship in the finance industry. Then that gives us a lot of proud that everyone that participates in this course is really taking something from this class.
We're going to focus on a way to fund a scholarship for the SIE exam. It's basically your first exam you need to take before you take your different series, Series 7, Series 63 and whatnot, in the FINRA series of exams. And basically if you want to be a financial analyst or if you want to get into finance, those are the main exams you need to take after school.
The university helps us by giving some real money for the students to manage, and what we have seen is that they have been giving very good returns in the last years. We expect that in the future this investment club can support the activities of the Student Managed Fund in some way that students can not only participate in the fund, by being part of the class, but they are going to be also participating before they can, or they have that chance, by helping with the reports and learning about how to use Bloomberg. Yeah, that's one of the great things that we are doing this semester.